everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of cheese pakoda with a twist. So you need to see the video to see what the twist is. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
For these cheese pakodas, we are going to make an interesting stuffing. So in a mixer grinder jar, take 1.5 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder so that we get more red color and less spiciness, juice from half medium sized lemon, salt as per taste. You can later taste this chutney or this filling and adjust the salt. Now I'm going to grind this to a paste. So you don't need to add any water. The moisture from garlic will make sure that we get a paste-like consistency in this filling. So our filling is ready. Trust me, this is the best part. It's going to make the cheese pakoda absolutely amazing. So here I've taken 6 processed cheese cubes. These are at room temperature. So normally we refrigerate the cheese cubes. But before making this pakoda, keep the cheese cubes outside for some time so that they become soft. And you can use any brand's cheese. Now I'm going to make a cut like this from 2 adjacent sides of this cube to make a pocket this way. Similarly, you need to make cuts in the rest of the cheese cubes. So after making cuts in all the cheese cubes, we are going to stuff these with the chutney which we had prepared. Now fill these cheese cubes with as much chutney as you like. Less, more depending on your taste. And after filling in the chutney, you need to press the cheese from the sides so that it's completely sealed. So here all our cheese cubes are now ready and we are going to make the batter to fry these. To make the batter, I am taking 3/4 cup gram flour or besan and 1/4 cup rice flour or chawal ka aata. But if you do not have rice flour, you can take besan. Add 1/4 teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds. Now add 1 teaspoon kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. So crush them like this and add to the mixture. Half teaspoon red chilli powder. Salt as per taste. Give this a good mix. Now by gradually adding water, we are going to make a batter of medium consistency. The batter should not be very thick and shouldn't be very thin, because if it's too thin, it won't coat the cheese cubes well. And if it's too thick, it won't taste good. And make sure that there are no lumps in the batter. So see, this is the consistency which is perfect for the cheese pakodas. Now just before frying, add a pinch of baking soda to the batter, just a pinch, not more. Take a cheese cube and dip it well into the batter so that it's coated with this batter from all the sides. At the same time, the oil has been heating and the flame is between medium to hot. And once the oil becomes hot, you can see a drop of besan floating on the top. Then you need to add the cheese cubes. So keep the flame between medium to high and fry the cheese pakoras till these become golden. And similarly fry rest of the pakodas. So because the batter is slightly on the thicker side, the cheese after it melts, it won't pop out or burst out. Just a little bit, and that's fine. So the cheese pakoras are now ready. These are so amazing. Serve these with mayo, ketchup, your choice of dip, and enjoy.